Yun lang yung na-prepare po namin for today's hearing.
The BIR even went to the Discayas property to inspect luxury vehicles na pinamumudmod sa tao nung, nagkaroon ng interview sila with Julius Babaw, which he said was, to be used to impress their clients. Hindi yung portfolio mo sa mga flood control projects mo, kundi para sa, pakita na, yung yaman nito, hindi nila kukunin ang pera ko, and do some substandard bidding. Ngayon, as the public at Gen Z slacktivism is in full swing, we hear a lot of, the winner takes it all, the loser has to fall, with the overimposed na mga nepo babies ng Coracote at kontratista and the Discayas luxury cars. Ngayon, ang weird lang talaga, tuwang-tuwa sila sa mga Indonesian. And reality, hindi naman nanakawan or was just proposed na itaas ang allowance ng mga ministro nila. Pero, they wild the fuck out. Meanwhile tayo, nanonood lang ng mga memes, nanonood lang tayo ng mga TikToks, while we sit on our phones all day because the winner takes it all and the loser has to fall. Tapos yan, balik na tayo sa pagiging mga Indiano. Balik na tayo sa mga leader na walang kwenta. Hindi pagising ang tao, or at least yung mayorya ng tao, para magkaroon ng demonstration ng mga rally na, has some real effect. Hindi lang yung mga katulad ng iilan lang silang nagrarally. Gusto natin yung buong sambayanan ang magrally, ang magalit sa mga walang hapas na pagnanakaw sa ating kaban ng bayan. Because, again, the winner takes it all and the loser has to fall. The loser being the Filipino people. Now, you might say na I'm inciting a revolution. Katulad ng mga sinasabi ko dahil ako natutuwa sa Indonesia tapos sa atin hindi natin magawa. You might say I'm inciting a revolution or, in some cases, like what the Indonesians are doing. But I'm not. I mean, unless it happens successfully, by which, and only after that, will I ever say that I indeed incited a revolution through my videos, or at the very least, uprising. Kasi matagal nang pinagtatawanan o kinukutya ang mga nagarally bilang mga NPA o komunista. And being an NPA o komunista, even if not true, is a deadly designation.